index funds with a brain, are those things really adding value?
No, probably not. The S&P 500 index fund is the one to use. That's the one I used in that bet I made for 10 years. It's the one I've told the trustee for my wife to put 90% of the funds I leave her into. The S&P 500 is, I don't know whether it's 80% of the market value of everything you can buy in this country, and it's over. I think it's over 20 trillion. And you're buying America. And let me give you a figure that'll blow your mind. I think I bought my first stock when I was 11 years old. The first quarter of 1942, shortly after Pearl Harbor, I spent $114.75. Three shares, $114.75. If I put that 114 into the S&P 500 at that time and reinvested the dividends, think of a figure as to what it would be worth today.
Oh man!
Well, it's okay. But I just want your audience to think for a second.
Okay.
The answer is about $400,000.
Oh.
So if I, as a little kid, had taken that $114 I'd saved on shoveling snow or whatever I'd done, $400,000 today, one person's lifetime. That's America. I mean, that isn't me. It is the huge tailwind the American economy gives to any equity investor. Now, the market's gone down many times during that time. People have panicked during that time. Headlines have been terrible. It looked like we were losing the war when we first bought it. But America is a powerful economic machine that since 1776 has worked, and it's going to keep working. Now, you don't want to buy to hold for a year. You don't want to buy with the idea that you can sell it in 2 years or 3 years, necessarily make money. You could lose money that way. But if you buy it for 10, 20, just keep buying the S&P 500 index and forget about all the other nonsense that's being sold to you, because I'll guarantee you one thing about the stuff being sold to you: it will carry bigger fees than what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's no reason to think that we don't know if it's 400,000, but that same sort of process or returns won't happen starting right now.
The S&P 500 companies have earned well over 10% on equity, often 15% annually for years and years and years and years. They've done it with Democratic administrations, with Republican administrations. Now, you get money compounding at that kind of rate underlying your investment, and you get a diversified group of that. I mean, you're going to do well.